good morning to all the cricketers and the cricket lovers. Here we have gathered for match number 19 for the team Tago versus MHP Vihangan. Interestingly, the composition which is set here right now is that both the teams with me have to open their account with the win. And interestingly, let's go to the toss and let's see what the toss has gotten for us with the captain Sirish of MHP Vihangan on my right, and to his right the captain of Team Tago, Rajashekar, and the match official we've got is Ramo, who's got the coin and shall hand it over to the captain. A lot of thinking for the captains today. Tail is the call. And head, tails failed him. Let's get to the captain who's won first. So Sirish, you've won the toss, afternoon game. It's gonna be sun straight on your head.
Yeah, so we are going to bat first. So it has been our strength for a long time, and hopefully we can just capitalize on it and get our first win.
I mean, it's been a late fashion where MHP starts to take winning in the late tournament, like coming late to the party.
But hopefully we continue the same. We cannot say anything because they're also a good team. It's not like we can underestimate them. So we just give our best, and hopefully the day is ours. It's all about the day.
Definitely. I mean, you guys have been playing quality cricket. I hope the game is to be fascinating and gritty today. But before I leave you, what the combination setup?
We have the same team that we played last time, so we believe in our team. Just that we couldn't score the 140 last time. So hopefully score much more hopefully today.
Hopefully. And on the strike, what do you think the defending total would be to bat first?
So I think somewhere around 160 should be good enough for us to defend, because then it will be I think around fourth innings of today, so it will be a bit difficult to back up second.
Definitely. I wish you all the very best and allow you to go and discuss the strategy. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's go straight to the captain of Team Tago to have a word with him along. And second match, first match, it's been very fascinating to have you here and display your skill. And the toss didn't go in your way. What would have you done exactly on the surface?
Frank, we wanted to bat first, as we mentioned. First we wanted to bat first, and we will keep around 161 70. Toss we have it doesn't have in our hands, so we want to restrict below 150. That is our strategy, and we do a good start.
And the defending thing, the chasing thing. What would you like to have the chasing part in you so that it will be minimum and no pressure on you?
It is around 130, as we are very comfortable. If 150 also we have good confidence. If more than 170, then our thinking might be different.
Any changes from your first game to the second one?
Yeah, we have two changes, but first game two players are not out of the city, so our two thinking.
And you've got your core. I hopefully like to witness a definite fascinating game with both of you. Thank you for joining us. All the very best. And this is the news from the center, guys, where MHP Vihangans won the toss and elected to bat first. And the ball will run away to the boundary and open. Straight, firmly driven, and this is the change what we are saying. Sloppy. Oh, lovely again. And yes, he's got the man, the played it gently. Didn't have to do much. Didn't have to do much, just had to glide the ball away, show the good with the line, catches the call and he'll not drop it. Full toss, it's cracked up. Has he put in the gap? Running hard. Yes, he's put in the gap. What is it going to be against this quality attack of bowling? Smacks it hard. Don't put your hands to that. Smacks. Is it big? Big enough. It's you. Sets down. Going across very close to Badri. He threw everything. He jumped as if he swings it hard, catches the call, but he'll catch it once the balls reach the. Sets down. Where is it? Where is it? Out of the. Gets the bat on, and with this run, he brings his 50 up. Breaks loose is the signal. Has he put in the gap? Oh yes, he has put in the gap. He takes on. Where is it? Where is it? Go back. Get the ball. Give this man a little break. Tight bowling. He smacked it. Where is it landing? Where is it landing? And we'll wait for the signal of umpire. And takes on. Sky high. Anybody? It's a no man's land. Will he come back for the second one? Teja saying no. He's halfway down. What will happen here? Teja sacrifices wicket. He knew this. Swings hard. Where is it landing? Will run away to a boundary. Takes on very first ball. He's facing as if his experience. First ball, Gopi. Takes on, gets the top edge, tries, nothing wrong with the effort. He gave his 110%. Drives it. Taking attempt for two. And given out. He'll be walking and running back to the. Takes it off. Finds the vacant area from the slip cauldrons. And will run away. Comes. And has been sent down. Will get a boundary straight up. Pace and again, but the pace hasn't put down. This will allow good fielding. Is running across, but yes, the ball had much of the bat. Coming down the track, is flicked it fine. Very good shot. Has timed it to perfection. Will it run away to the boundary? Will that be a question? And the question's been answered right now. Has he put in the gap? Oh yes, he has put. He's found the gap. The question will be, will it raise down? Yes, it's raised down. Tries of catches, but nobody will respond to it as it will go to the fence. Again, running. Taken off. And yes, consecutive boundary. Gets down. Swings it. Swings it. And takes. Shrikant is the man. The ball skied. Anybody? And Shrikant does the trick. The ball skied up. Looped. What has happened here? Second wicket. Looped. And the hat-trick ball has been sent. Sits down. And the tall man didn't time his jump properly. Or else Keshav would have plucked a wicket. And 4 runs. Slashed it. And will get a boundary. What is high? Scooped again. The ball's running away. Toying around with the fielders. Teasing. What will it be? An evident result. 4. Good afternoon to all the cricketers and cricket lovers. Welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 19 played between Team Tagore versus MHB Vihangans. Let's take a minute to appreciate the sponsorship of our sponsors before proceeding to what we are going to discuss. We thank R11, Hell Rockers, MSR Tipper Services, Foursquare Sports Shop and RR Stones. A quick synopsis and to summarize what had happened in the match is that MHB Vihangans won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 138 runs on the fall of 5 wickets, and Team Tagore completing it in 18.3 overs and winning it by 5 more wickets. Let's go straight to the captain today, who's not available, but to fill his shoes we've got Teja here. Firstly, one more day and hard cricket you've played, but not in your way, the win.
Yeah, so last 2 hours of first innings, that is where we lost the game. So we could have accelerated better and then we could have kept the target around 160, 165 plays. So the first 18 overs, we were good around 130. Last 2 overs, only 5 or 6 runs. So that is where we lost the game. And then even bowlers bowled well in the initial overs and then some quick wickets and then we could have finished it better.
And about the upcoming games, because you've got 3 matches and 3 losses right now, and you've got to play 2 matches. So how is it going to be? Anything different?
I think we have the same squad. We have the same squad, so we'll play with the same team, and then we'll look into our mistakes, and then we'll try to score some quick runs in the front end for 6 hours, and then some acceleration in the end. So that is where we are liking the game. So we'll try and practice.
Definitely 2 more games. I hope you come all your guns blazing and blaring. Thank you. If you
Thanks.
can stand along until we complete. Man of the match.
Thanks.
And we've got the captain here who's won the match, Rajashekar. You'll be very happy with the team effort today.
Yeah, actually, we won. It's very happy, but we haven't convinced them. That's what's a little hurting. We have given 15 more runs as per our bowling standards. We wanted to restrict on 115 or 125, but it extended to 140. So they 15 and batting we wanted to complete between 15 and 16 overs, but eventually taken 18.2. That where we haven't convinced it. But overall, win is win. We are happy about that winning side.
And definitely about your feeling part from the first game, which has been little ordinary today, not what Team Tagos is meant to do. So any special note on fielding?
That day also up to batting, they are a very good bowling side. We were 150 and definitely 20 short on that day. And up to 13 overs we were in the match. So last 5 overs or 6 overs they wanted to 30 odd runs. So they took a game in 2 overs away. So actually we wanted convincingly win that like that and okay.
Definitely, you still have more 3 games.
3 games we want.
3 games coming up, and definitely you've got quality team as a captain.
Yeah, we want to positively and we wanted to win. We want to be top 1 or 2 teams.
Definitely, I wish you all the very luck. If we have the man of the match here, Mr. Dev, to company and have a word, let's talk to him because he's the man who's taken everything by stroll, who's also been economical, and let us reflect on the score, what is played today. Devinder playing 34 runs out of 21 balls, and you are the bowler for the team as well, getting the new ball. How is it different bowling in the first 20 over and then, coming on to bat?
It was good actually. The climate was a bit hot compared to where we were the first match. Basic thing was to be in the match and rotate the strike. Actually, we are right and left hand when we are playing. But just was concentrating on singles. For the loose ball, we can hit a ball because left hander they will be the fielding team will be a bit odd for them. That is the only thing.
And whatever you did was magnificently well. Before you go, like a felicitation, if we can have a picture of your captain and the opposite team, Captain Teja, along in the frame. If you can come along.
Great batting and great bowling.
Thank you. Thank you.